Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we have an intriguing topic that combines technology, creativity, and a bit of coding, image processing with Photon, a high-performance Rust WebAssembly library. Whether you're a developer or just someone interested in how images get transformed on the web and beyond, this discussion is for you. So let's dive in. Photon is designed for high-speed image processing, both in web browsers and via command line applications. Imagine being able to manipulate images at near-native speeds thanks to the power of WebAssembly. How cool is that? Now, picture this. You're tasked with turning a standard photo into a visually stunning piece of art. With Photon, you can apply over 96 customizable functions. These include everything from image corrections, like sharpening and brightness adjustments, to sophisticated filters and effects. It's like having a complete photo editing tool right in your code. Let's think about those effects for a moment. Among the latest features introduced in its version 0.3.2 are duotone filters, image rotation functions, and even a dithering filter. For those unfamiliar, dithering is that magical process that allows you to simulate larger color palettes, giving your images that lovely vintage feel. Now you might be wondering, how does one get started with Photon? Good question. If you're working natively, you'll simply drop Photon into your Rust project through Cargo, and for those into web development, installing via NPM is super easy. You can use it directly in any major web browser. Yes, that means Chrome, Firefox, and even Safari. What about the functionalities? Well, the library allows you to alter image channels, seamlessly blend images, and even watermark with multiple formats. Think of it as a playground where you can tweak hues, create monochrome effects, and even resize images without losing quality. When you wrap your head around that, it opens up a world of creative possibilities. Have you ever tried to crop or rotate an image with pixel-perfect precision? It's pretty tricky, right? But with Photon, manipulating an image is not just a feature, it's built into every function. That means you can focus less on the heavy lifting and more on unleashing your creativity. Now let's talk a bit about the underlying tech. The fact that Photon is written entirely in pure Rust means that it's not just fast, but also secure. For developers, that's a big deal. Imagine delivering high-performance applications without compromising on safety. Rust manages to do that beautifully. And for the developers listening in, if you're excited about contributing, Photon is an open source project. You can submit new filters, functions, or even suggest improvements. It's a community-driven effort, and every contribution helps make this library even better. As we start wrapping up, I can't help but reflect on how image editing has evolved from desktop software to online tools, and now into high-performance libraries like Photon. It's a testament to how technology continues to shape the way we express ourselves visually. So if there's one key takeaway from today's discussion, it's this. With Photon, you're not just processing images, you're empowering creativity at unprecedented speeds. Whether it's for web development or native applications, this library gives you the tools to bring your visions to life. Before we sign off, I'd love to hear from you. Have you explored image processing with libraries like Photon, or do you have a project in mind that could benefit from these kinds of tools? Hit us up on social media and share your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in today. We'll see you next time for more insightful discussions. Until then, keep creating.